Alright guys, so today we're working on this Jeep. You see back there is a 1999 Wrangler 2.5 liter engine. It's a little 4-cylinder. It has about 3,000 horsepower. We're going to get like 4,000 with the new spark plugs. Let me show you what this thing looks like. How to replace your spark plugs fast and easy? Watch this. So what you're going to need, you're going to need a ratchet, an extension, and in my case, my spark plugs are 5/8 inch, so I have a 5/8 inch deep socket. But as you can see, it has a little magnet inside, so it's a whole lot easier whenever you put the spark plug in there. It actually holds it. Super easy, super convenient. This is like $6-7. So we're gonna be working on this 1999 Jeep Wrangler SE. It is a 2.5 liter engine, 4-cylinder. So we're gonna need about maybe 30 minutes to get all these spark plugs replaced. I'm gonna show you what to do. So guys, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 right in there, and 4 is right behind the AC compressor. So guys, what I do recommend, replace them one at a time. Take out the spark plug cable, take that bad boy out, replace it, put it back in, so like that you don't get confused and forget where they go. Or if you don't know the firing order, then you know you won't have any issues. Alright, so literally I'm gonna show you how to change one. All you do, you grab this from the bottom, twist it a little bit so it'll get unstuck, and then just pull back. And there it is. One spark plug cable out of the way. And then what you do, you take the spark plug out. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you put that bad boy in there, make sure it grabs, and now you are ready to loosen. And there it is, just like that. They're not on there super tight, depending on how long they've been on there, but they don't have that much torque. Just refer to your manual or your service book to see exactly how much torque they're supposed to have. But let's take this one out, and I will show you guys what they look like. And this is what I'm saying, this socket with a magnet on it is very cool to have, because as you can see where we're at, once I pull the spark plug out, it will not fall off. There it is. There it is, right there. So guys, as you can see, we did put a little bit of anti-seize on there. You want to do that so whenever you put them back, it won't be that hard to take off, because the anti-seize prevents them from seizing to the block or to the head. Alright guys, and just like that, we're ready to put this bad boy back in there. I did want to let you know these are already gapped. I gapped them in a different video showing you guys how to gap them. So it is very important that you gap them to the correct specs before you drop them in there. Alright, let's go in there with this one. Alright guys, and now we're gonna give it a quick tighten. You don't tighten them too much. You just want to make sure they seal and they don't leak. They don't leak any compression, but really check your specifications to see how many inch-pounds or foot-pounds they're supposed to have. But mine, I just snug them. Once I feel they're a little tight in there, that's all I do. And just like that, you have one spark plug replaced. So now do the same thing for the other 3 or 6 or 8, however you have, and you are done. Alright guys, and just like that, we got the 4 spark plugs out. I'm going to show you guys. They don't look too bad, but they were ready to be replaced. So this is what they look like. If you can see, I mean, it's firing pretty nice. It's burning nice, but they were a little burnt out. They're ready to be replaced. You see how nice they look though? So that firing in that engine is actually pretty good. I mean, they've been in there quite a while, so they were ready to be replaced. So guys, that's how easy it is to replace spark plugs in your vehicles. I mean, some are a little easier than others, some a little bit more difficult, but it's the same concept. So as long as you got the right tool, you know, you take them out one at a time and put the cables or wires back in one at a time, you will not have any issues. And don't over torque them. So y'all have a blessed one. Stay safe. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and that notification bell, so next time I upload a video, you guys be the first ones to see it. Peace. So alrighty guys, now that they all been replaced, what we're gonna do, if we did everything correctly, we should just be able to put that key in there and fire it right up. So let's see. I mean, everything should have worked out perfect because we did one cable and one spark plug at a time, so we know everything is back where it's supposed to be. Let's see how this bad boy sounds. Alrighty guys, so now that everything has been replaced, well, all 4 spark plugs have been replaced, next thing we got to do is turn it on. I mean, everything should work because it was turning on before we replaced them. So we did them one by one, so we know everything went back in the way it was supposed to. So let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, they are iridium. So guys, it started up very smooth. We're gonna wait for it to warm up and give it a few revs. We should have gained at least 600 horsepower with the iridium spark plugs. Guys, and just like that, we got about an extra 600 horsepower with them iridium spark plugs. This sounds very good. So we'll go ahead and take it for a spin. I mean, I know we're gonna be good, but guys, that's how easy it is. Save you some money, do it yourself. You know it's got put back on correctly and you won't have any issues. Have a blessed one. So it is a Project Jeep. It has a big dent here on the side that we got to take care of. But besides that, it looks pretty decent. Pretty nice little Jeep. Especially for what we wanted for off-roading. Perfect. Very cool. There's the mess. I was working on the muffler. But guys, looks pretty solid. So we're getting it to good running conditions so we can go ahead and take it off-roading with no worries.